Okay, here's a quick video just to show how I got ReactOS installed on my on this laptop. Okay, so I turned on the laptop, hit F2 into the BIOS, and before I went to the ReactOS website, just downloaded the nightly, the boot CD, and just uncompressed it using CD burning program. I burned it to actually I burned it to a DVD, but it's just because I had it. This is what I had lying around. CD, DVD, it shouldn't really matter. So burn it to that. Then this laptop, the BIOS settings are very limited. So if you go to here, advanced, these are my settings. Pointing devices enabled, built-in LAN enabled, wake-up LAN disabled. Uh, there. The uh, the most important settings I think were here. Legacy USB support, so make sure this is enabled. And down here, SATA controller mode. I set this to compatibility. AHCI with this computer didn't work. And that's pretty much it. There aren't that many other settings for this computer. So exit. So boot from CD. I made sure to boot from CD. Exit saving changes. Exit saving changes. Yes. Restart. Press any key. Starting freeloader. I got a message here. It says you need to connect a debugger. The autofocus isn't working now. There, you need. So I got this message, but if you just wait, the message goes away. So now here's the setup. The setup. And click English, US. I just do all the defaults just to make sure everything installs correctly. Yeah. Okay. Enter. Enter. Okay. Okay. Sorry. It says here. The ReactOS setup can upgrade one of the following ReactOS installations. The repair functions are not all implemented yet. Well, let's give this a try. You know what? No. Let's see here. I'll just do escape to continue with new installation. Just click enter. Here, this is the old ReactOS installation here. I'm just gonna click enter. To if you're format as FAT. Yeah, just once again, just all the defaults. Press enter to continue. Install bootloader on the hard disk, MBR and VMR. Again, just the defaults. Yes. And wait here. Setup is copying files. My screen is damaged up here, so there's some lines. Don't pay attention to that. It's not ReactOS. It's just screen damage. This laptop is really old. Okay, setup is copying files. Almost done. Setup is updating system configuration. Setup is installing bootloader. Okay, now it says remove the CD. Yeah, so I'm just removing the CD. Says the system is now making sure all data is. Oh, and it's gonna reboot. Okay, so the computer rebooted. No, it's trying to get it to focus. Won't focus. Sorry about this. Yeah, this autofocus is terrible. Anyway, just click the first option, ReactOS. Okay, now it says. Okay, now it says finally. It says installing devices. Okay, so then next, here's how I like to set up ReactOS. Here, click next, next. Server, I use server by default. This, since I already clicked English before in America, I don't change. I don't bother with a username organization. This, I don't bother with a password because this isn't connected to the internet right now. This is one thing that if you don't have to change, but I actually live in Japan. So since I live in Japan, I like to set it to the Japanese time. This always works fine for me. I've never had a problem doing this. So Japan, setting this to there. Osaka, Sapporo, Tokyo. And next. Uh, you can choose these. I normally just go with the classic one, but whatever. Whatever's the default for appearance. Typical settings, yeah. Next again. Registering components. I'm not sure why, but WineGecko just isn't working right now. I'm pretty sure the ReactOS developers are aware of this. So maybe it's just because it's a nightly. Anyway, just click cancel here. Finish. Okay, so again, go up to, it's not going to focus. Camera's not focusing today. Anyway, just click ReactOS. You can click debug or the top one. This says just ReactOS. I normally just click ReactOS. Now, okay, this is the new hardware wizard. This you can click next, but sometimes I've noticed um, like uh, like I had some kind of error or problem and ReactOS just crashed or gave me a blue screen. So the safest thing to do, I think, is just if you really just want to get this installed, is just to click cancel here. Yeah, another ACP. This is just to install drivers. So like you don't have to install them right now. You can click cancel, 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 cancel. Just cancel all this. You can try hitting next if you want as well, but if next doesn't work, just cancel, 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 and that's it. ReactOS is installed. Now, again, this is okay. Now, if you really want to, if you have like a CD, now if you have all your drivers on a CD or something, you can just go here, go to, I think it's programs, and where was it again? System tools. No, administrative tools. Ah, here, device manager. You can go here, and then just click on these devices and try to update drivers if you want from like a CD or whatever you have. I recommend copying any drivers over to the computer first, and then just kind of let's see here, update driver software, and from a specific location here, and then just go next, and then just look for whatever folder you installed it into. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, that's it. It's ReactOS, and um, installing it this way is pretty easy. Like I said, just gotta click compatibility mode for SATA, and at this point, ReactOS is mostly like either it works or it doesn't. So, um, so anyway, give it a try. Good luck.